So what's up guys, if you follow the channel you already may be aware that I bought this Sony ZV1 camera, which is a point and shoot camera, but it's pretty good, and I bought it for vlogging purpose and taking it out with me. It's a little slim, you can easily slide it into the pocket, and the microphone on this is quite good, and you also get this windshield that prevents wind from ruining your audio. But I found that the external microphones work best when you're outside because they are directional and they pick up only the sound that comes from the front. So I was using something like this. This is Boya MM1. Thanks to the hot shoe or cold shoe mount, you can easily mount any external microphone. There is a microphone slot as well. It looks something like this, but I felt it's a little bulky. I wanted something low profile because it's a point and shoot camera, and that's the reason I bought it, just to get a compact thing so that I can fit into my pocket. So I was looking for something minimal so that I can use it with this camera, because even though it is a small microphone and I'm happy with it, but even better if I get something little smaller, little compact that goes with this camera. So I saw a listing on Tata Click. It's an e-commerce website, and it had listed a model from Boya, and it felt like it's minimal and it's the one that I am looking for. So I ordered it. It's available for 1500 rupees. So this is how it is. Now it was looking a little smaller, compact in the listing, but when I have this, it is a little bit bigger. So we have the microphone here, which has got this windshield, and then there is wire, and it's pretty thin in comparison to the wire that you get with this Boya MM1. So we also get a dead cat, which means you can remove this thing and you can put on this dead cat if you are in an environment there is a lot of wind, so it will take care of that. But I don't want this. I want a smaller external camera that can record better audio than the stock microphone on a camera. So that's about it, and this is the carry pouch, and apart from that there is an option. Okay, so there are two options. One that picks up audio from the front, that is 90 degrees, and the other option that will pick up audio from 120 degrees. So this Boya MM1, it's available for 1700 rupees, 1800 rupees. Prices vary 100, 200 rupees more or less, and it's available on Amazon also. And it does not have got any additional battery. You just plug it into the microphone and it's good to go. But it has got a battery, and there's no battery inside, which means I will have to buy it. That's sad. But I have another microphone from Boya, this collar microphone. It's pretty nice. I've used it for several years, and it also has a battery, and hopefully this battery will be compatible with this thing. And let me put it in so that I can use it. I'll have to buy it separately, but right now I'll open this and take out the battery and put it into this so we can test it out. So luckily the cell that is on the Boya collar microphone fits into this one as well. So fortunately I will be able to use it and I will be able to show you. But if you're buying it, make sure that you have this handy, and this is available in any watch repair shop, watch shop around you, so you can get that easily. I'll put the exact model number of this cell somewhere in the video or in the description, so you can get that, and you can also buy online. So on mounting this microphone to my camera, it does not look what I thought it would look, and it is pretty much of the same footprint I was getting with this Boya MM1 microphone. In fact, it was a little compact than this one. So but it is black on the positive side. this is all black. So let me see how the quality of the microphone is. If it has good enough quality, I will keep this one, even if it is at par with this one, because this one has got very nice audio quality. I've used it with this one and the audio was pretty nice. So I'm indoors right now in my studio, and this audio is being captured through the internal microphone of the Sony ZV1, and the microphones are pretty nice, especially indoors, and in some situations you won't even need an external microphone if your scenarios is like this, but it definitely enhances to have a external microphone, especially when you are outdoors. So let me plug this Boya V01 and let's see how the audio quality is going to be. So this is the audio that is being recorded through the microphone that I just purchased, Boya V01, and currently it's on 180 degrees. And now it is at 90 degrees, so pretty similar to this directional microphone, because this records in 90-degree view, like exactly in front of the microphone, and it's an arm length away from me, like previously when I was using the internal microphone. So you will get a fair idea what the difference is. There is a difference between the microphone that is inbuilt and an external microphone, but how much you can tell. Now we are on Boya MM1, so the audio is being recorded from that microphone, and now you will get a fair idea about the difference between the audio captured from this microphone and from this one. So by going by the looks, this one looks pretty nice. The reason I bought this, I thought it will be a little compact, but as you have seen the footage, it is pretty much similar. In fact, it is an older model, which means Boya launched this model after this one. Obviously Boya improved it a little further, and this one is an exact replica of the Rode microphone, which is double the price of that one. But this one also comes with, in the pricing of the Boya MM1, a little cheaper also, but plasticky, the quality on the Boya MM1 is much better than this. And I'm going to test this thing out a little more in outdoor conditions, and then I will decide whether I should keep it or not, because there is a return policy of 15 days. So I'll look into it, and if it is not any better than this one, then I'm going to replace it. But you now have the idea how this is. So this is for those people who are like me and are confused and looking for a compact microphone for their camera, and then you now get the idea which one is better. So now I will continue my search for a better and compact size microphone for my ZV1 Sony camera. You may have any other camera, but if your camera supports external microphone, then you may benefit from my search. So subscribe to the channel if you want to watch future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.